Hey guys, this is Toru and today is 2016 4th 17th Sunday. I'm creating this Bitcoin video. And today I want to talk about did Bitcoin really broke up to the upside or not? It just looks like this trend line is now broken and it's just trying to go upward. However, if you look at a little bit of the tweaked angle, it's not. So I'm just gonna wanted to share some of my ideas. Anyway, here we go. So the chart you are looking at is a Bitcoin US dollar daily chart. And as of today, the price we are looking at is $428. So if we draw a trend line like this, from 2015 end of October, it looks like we just broke a trend line to the upward. And I'm not really looking at the previous historical high of this 1200. I'm just looking at a little more micro picture at this point. Okay, so the first thing it just comes to my mind is this chart is weird. Here's a long consolidation comes in, and if this trend line is really broken, this could be a little bit more volatile than this gradual move. So what's really looking like is here was a sharp drop here, and it's just coming back up again, and it just looks like it might comes back down again. And this is a US dollar chart. However, if you look at the BTC CNY, which is a little bit more influential to the Bitcoin market, well, actually, if you look at trading volume, a major role is occupied through CNY. So maybe the CNY may be the key. And if you draw a similar trend line on a CNY chart, well, actually, it's not broken. What we are looking at now is it's just hitting the trend line. And if we go into a little bit more micro picture, and I'm just gonna go look in 4-hour chart. Well, this is showing a little reversal pattern of the candles. Well, there are a lot of names on the candle pattern, so I'm not gonna pick up, but this has got the price is coming in a volatile way, and it comes to the upper one and goes sideways and goes a little get volatile and maybe drops down. And the other thing is I am a huge fan of the harmonic pattern, and if we draw the harmonic pattern, which is the sort of the geometric Fibonacci combination, what we are facing at this point is usually the biggest influence comes down on 886, and we just hit 886, and right after it hit 886, it just shows a reversal candle pattern here. That's part of the thing I'm looking at. The other thing is here's another harmonic pattern really combined. So it's not really the beautiful 3-drive pattern, but it's 3 drives. And the interesting thing is if I look into the US dollar, here we go. It's just pre-drawn. All right, so just in case you never heard about a 3-drive, if price hit 3 times high, it's just gonna go down. So I don't know why, but the number 3 has got a sort of the power in the market. So there is a way saying like a 3-drive, or like probably you've heard about like a head and shoulder. This is also comes with a 1, 2, 3 top, and there's a candle pattern called like a 3 belt, or there are a lot of things that comes with the number 3. So at this point, the Bitcoin just made a 3 drives, and at the same time, this is approaching to 886, which just CNY already hit. So the point is, of course, Bitcoin cannot really be behaving under the technical market analysis, because once things happens, BTC just gonna go crazy move. That's why I created a video. It might goes to $30,000. However, actually the halving is a little down the road. Today is a 2064-17, so we do still have 2 or 3 months time before the halving. So before the halving comes in, probably this time the market really does not go anywhere. It just maybe just going within a range. And if the range really comes in, this sort of the technical like a chart analysis may be worthwhile looking at. So if you are looking at only the US dollar Bitcoin chart and thinking that, hey, this is a breakup, oh yes, now it's time to buy, maybe I would suggest you may be looking at the another one, BTC CNY, and it's not showing the breakup at this point. It's still within the range, and it just this picture shows a perfect place to sell. Well, of course, I'm not gonna short because there are so much upper room left for the Bitcoin. So I personally never short Bitcoin. However, if you are looking at a buying opportunity, maybe what you want to do is maybe wait a little bit more. And one possibility is, just draw the upper trend line and maybe wait around here, this area. Or I may be totally wrong, and if the price just jumps up, maybe you might want to wait this pulse back, because here is a $3,000, well, 3,000 CNY is waiting here. And well, if you look back the history, 3,000 always reject the price, backs down. So maybe if the price really goes up from this point, maybe you might have got a second chance. And if you have no second chance, it's just gonna go to the $30,000. I'm sorry. That could happen. This is a market, so we never know. However, at this point, I'm just looking at the chart, and this looks like a perfect point for the trader to sell. I just wanted to share this idea. And at last, I'd like to ask a small favor for you guys. Well, we are in Japan, have got us biggest earthquake is happening right now. So I'm just gonna paste a web address that goes to the donation for the Kumamoto. This is great, isn't it? I mean, like a Bitcoin can send money all over the world instantly, and it doesn't cost like a $20 for the wire fee, and it doesn't cost like a $20 people accepting money, or like it doesn't charge for 3% for the conversion fees, or etc. So it's just gonna go. It's so cheaply. It's just go instantly, and it's the internet, and it's the money for the internet, and it's the money for the people. That's what I really passionate about Bitcoin. Right. So thanks for watching the video, and I really appreciate all the comments and the encouragement I received, and I do wish you guys have got all the great days. Thank you. Bye.